Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. Under the hood we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy looks great. It is in silver. You do have that chrome bug deflector up front with the Chevrolet logo badging right there. You do also have your halogen headlights right there and your fog lights down there with your tow hooks. Coming around the side here, we do have our Michelin brand tires. They look fantastic. You do also have 18-inch rims on them. Look great. You do have heated exterior mirrors right there with your running boards along the bottom. Coming all the way around to the back, we do have the Avalanche badging as well as our parking sensors just down there. You can open it up just like this. Lots of room back here as well for hauling whatever you might need to. You also got the cover on it, so no one will be able to see what you're hauling around, and it'll stay nice and safe. You do also have these guys right here, so all you gotta do is open them up. You got some room just in there as well. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them. You do also have this guy to activate your remote start, especially nice in the winter. Get it nice and warm for you. Don't have to go outside in the cold. No one likes that. Now, if we unlock it, we can take a look on the inside here. So on the door, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. A little bit of chrome accenting on the handle here, and some storage down here with the water bottle holder. Looks great in here. So the seats are very soft as well, very comfortable. And right over here we do have the controls over the lights. So our on, our auto, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control right here. And then our controls over the 2-wheel, the auto, the 4-wheel, and the 4-wheel low. Got your trailer brake right there. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge. We've got our engine temperature, we got our oil and battery as well. Then in the center there it does tell us how many kilometers we have, our temperature outside, which way we're facing. We can switch that around a bit to our trip A and B, our fuel range, average economy, fuel used, timer, our transmission temperature, all those guys there, it turns off as well. Then you got your front tires, rear tires, all those, engine hours, all sorts of different stuff. You can customize all sorts of different stuff in there as well. Now that is controlled from these little buttons right here. And then on the steering wheel you do have your cruise control options here, horn in the center, and your controls over your Bluetooth, as well as your source, and then your volume up and down right here. And then in the center you do have your radio, so you have your information button there. You have your favorites, you have your menu, you have your presets, equalizer, category. You also have your set there, or your selector, sorry. You have your eject for your CD player as well as your time. You have your band, you have your seek, volume up and down with the power, forward, rewind, you got your CD and aux cord plug-in right there. Then down here we do have a heat up and down, dual climate system for new passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have how hard it's going to blow out. You have your auto, your defrost, your circulation as well, and then where it's going to blow out of. You have your power, your defrost, AC, and your passenger there. Then you have this one's how close your pedals are, park assist or park sensor, sorry, and then you also have your traction control right there. Some storage in here with the cup holders. And then you also have your armrest that doubles as a storage container, just like that. And over here we do have a locking glove box as well. Open it up, lots of room in there. You do up top have the control over your sunroof and your universal garage door opener right there. And there is our sunroof. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you do have that same chrome accenting. You have the control of your windows and the handle here. Looks great in here. Same material as the front. You can fold this down as well, like that. You got an armrest with some cup holders. And then you can also lift it up just like this. Then you got some storage just underneath if you did need to use that as well. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.